How's it going, everyone? My name is Mick Amber. You are watching All About Tech. Welcome back to another video. I apologise that I haven't uploaded in the last few days. On Friday, I was halfway through filming and the camera died. And I didn't have time to do it again because I had to go to work. And then yesterday, I was up yesterday at like 4 o'clock in the morning, bloody throwing up. And I've been struggling with a headache a bit today as well. I think it's the heat. But yeah, I wasn't at work yesterday, and I was planning on doing a video when I got home from work yesterday, but I ended up not going to work because I just felt awful. But I'm back today, not feeling amazing. Obviously, I can't even have my fan on at the moment just because it will bloody distort all the sound. But today I have a very special video for you guys. I'm going to be talking about what is happening at the moment around the cryptocurrency space, and in my opinion is going to cause huge upside potential for the market as a whole. So much new money coming into the market. As you can see today, Bitcoin jumped up to about $6,600 again, and we're going to talk about why. So let's kind of class this as a crypto weekly news episode, and yeah, let's get straight into it. But before I get straight into it, let me know what you think about today's setup. I've decided to show off my setup here. This is where I edit everything. Sometimes I do it on my laptop as well, but I thought I'd just show off a little bit about me and what I do, what stuff I use and stuff. So I hope you like this setup. I might stick to this kind of setup because I really like the computer in the background and stuff. But yeah, going in straight into what's made the cryptocurrency market move today, and that is that BlackRock eyes Bitcoin futures and the market reacts to increased institutional interest. So the world's largest exchange-traded fund, ETF provider, BlackRock, announced the formation of a working group to assess the potential involvement in Bitcoin. Financial News reported today, July 16th. And this is massive, purely in the sense that CBOE announced filing for a Bitcoin ETF, and now BlackRock have announced that they're eyeing up towards getting involved as well. All of these financial institutions and banks were all against Bitcoin, all against cryptocurrency, and slowly, one by one, they are all doing a U-turn completely. They are all doing a U-turn completely because now they just can't avoid it, and the train's about to leave the station, and they need to jump on it before it happens. Bitcoin ETFs paved the way for so much an incredibly new influx of money coming into the cryptocurrency market, and for even more futures contracts to come in as well. It really shows how cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. Still massively in its infancy. I'll pop a link below on a video I did a couple months ago about comparing the size of the cryptocurrency market compared to every other market in the world. And it is absolutely tiny compared to the cryptocurrency market. You look at BlackRock, that last year, they had just under $6.3 trillion in assets under management. $6.3 trillion. You got all these other hedge funds, institutions that they're all managing this substantial amount of money. And at the moment, the cryptocurrency market is at around 270 billion, 260 billion. It is absolutely astonishing how some people think that Bitcoin has already reached its top and it's correcting and now we're waiting for the next bull run. that is not the case. Cryptocurrency is in its infancy. And I want to go off to something else now. Another reason why cryptocurrency is going to take the absolute world by storm soon. And that is that Hong Kong's monetary authority is to launch a multi-bank blockchain trade finance platform. I'll pop the link to the article in the description. But basically, when you have a financial regulator putting in place something to bring banks together. Now, obviously, a lot of people's stance on banks is negative. That's the whole point of cryptocurrency, to dethrone the banks, etc. The fine line is that you're not going to dethrone the banks. The banks are going to get involved, and the banks are going to do what they can to still have that power, you know. And you know that a market is going to be going upwards when all of these banks are going to start working together to, like in this instance, a regulator working to bring banks together for the good of crypto and for the good of blockchain. That is absolutely massive. Moving on to another story that I've been reading today, and that is that universities are racing to provide lecturers for crypto. That's absolutely massive. And at the moment, it's in the United States. You've got Stanford Graduate School of Business, HAAS School of Business in UC Berkeley, NYU Stern School of Business. And the reason why it's all business schools is because it comes under business-related programs. But you think about that. They're trying to get people lecturing on it now. Everyone is slowly moving into crypto for different reasons. And I think that the latter half of this year and next year are going to be fundamentally so important for cryptocurrency. And I'm so excited that I am here, and you guys, my viewers, you guys are all here in this space already. We are the early adopters of crypto. Think about it. 1 to 3% of the world's population are involved in cryptocurrency right now. We are the early adopters, and it is the early adopters that are going to see the biggest financial benefit. Everyone else getting into it are going to be getting into it for more practical reasons, because there's the use case, there's the ecosystems involved, etc. Like with Electroneum. The thing people forget about Electroneum is that it is in its infancy, and we are the very early adopters of that cryptocurrency. Which means, of course, it's not going to be plain sailing. They've still got things to release. They've still got tweaks to make. They've still got partnerships to form, etc. But when you're in that early adoptmanship of anything, it's not plain sailing, and it does take a lot. It takes bravery to keep hold and to stick with it. But that's how the richer get richer. They happily take those that can't handle the pressure. They handily take all their assets off them and stuff. And then they get even richer because they're the ones that have the biggest percentage of that said asset or cryptocurrency or whatever. That's how they do it. So I urge people, all this good news coming out about crypto, it's a bear market, but all this good news about crypto, so much more has happened for the good of cryptocurrency than what happened in the last bull run. And compare the cryptocurrency market to the Nasdaq market, to the real estate market, to everything else, to gold, to silver. It's going to be absolutely massive, and trillions of dollars is going to be moved into cryptocurrency in the near future, in the next 6 months to 2 years. A lot of money is going to come into the market, and this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take this as financial advice. But All the signs are there. All the signs are here, and I am so excited for it. I really am. Just going back to Electroneum. Electroneum are eyeing up 2 million users. 2 million users. And I know that there was some backlash on a Reddit post that was posted yesterday by N-System. People are expecting massive amounts of news to come out about Electroneum. And that post got hyped up a lot on all of the channels. Everyone was sharing it around, and it kind of built up all that hype through everyone sharing it around and stuff. But what I want to quickly say about that is that he didn't say that it was going to be news about Electroneum. He said that it was going to be about it doesn't just concern ETN investors but the whole of crypto. And he said that he had something very special to share. And that's something that he did share to 99% of people that are in crypto. Didn't know the information that was put in before via that video, where we are in the market. And it shows just how much is still to come in crypto. It just shows how much. And it gives people that confidence to keep holding on. So in that essence, I thought the Reddit post was really, really positive. Of course, I understand everyone's entitled to their opinion, but no, yeah, it's really positive to see that we're here, and we're still yet to go here, you know. And with the cryptocurrency market being in its infancy, it's so important to be in on that. But yeah, that's today's video that I wanted to talk about. I've got another video coming tomorrow. I'm going to give you my story about how I got into crypto, how I got into ETN, what my success is so far, and what my plans are for the future and stuff. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the All About Tech channel. I've got a lot coming up, especially at the start of August. I'm really excited to share some really good content with you guys in August. I can't wait to show you. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be some awesome content I'm bringing to you guys. So subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys out in the next video. Peace out.